Hello everyone, this is Nishya Singh Muktawat, a final year BTech student from DIT University and a IEEE student member from UP section. Few weeks ago, I tested positive for COVID-19 and I was home isolated for 2 weeks. There I faced various challenges and also required medical devices such as pulse oximeter. When my family members went out and I searched online, there was nothing less than 2000 rupees. So after I recovered from the disease, I thought of making one which is not just cost efficient but also helps patient in this hard time. So I came up with this device. It could be powered in three different ways. The first one is micro USB port, the DC jack which can handle up to 12 volts but 9 volts maximum is recommended, and third one is the 9 volt battery which could be placed inside the device. Let's just power it on with USB port. As we power it on, it will try to connect to the home's networks, home's Wi-Fi, and after it is successfully connected, it will show success message. Now it is showing finger out, and now I will place my finger over it, and it will start sending reading to the mobile device, which could be with the family members or relative outside the patient's room. And now we can see the readings are pretty accurate, and this whole transmission is occurring over the internet, so no wires are required. Now I remove my finger and it will show the finger out message. It will blink for about 9 seconds, and then to save the power, the display will turn off. Now, keeping in mind, if a patient needs emergency assistance, he can simply pull this lever down to send the alert message on the relative's mobile. The notification will be sent every 5 seconds until this alarm is turned off from the patient's end. Not just this, if we can customize various such command if a relative want to send something to the patient, like if we want to send a medicine reminder, we can simply press this button and it will send a medicine reminder to the patient. It will beep for 10 seconds and display the message take medicine. To display readings and transmitting data to mobile, I used Blink app. My point of making this device was to help patients and also keeping the cost as low as possible. Total cost of this device is about 750 rupees. In future, I am planning to make this device more power efficient by turning off sensor when not in use, just like the display. Also, you can suggest me something in the comment section. I will be happy to add that in this project. All the relevant documents and components I used are in the description of this video. Thank you.